What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating yet disturbing realities of our AI-powered world. You know those AI assistants that seem magically intelligent? Well, there's a $20 billion industry behind them that tech giants are desperately trying to keep hidden. Let's pull back the curtain on AI's dirtiest secret. Every time you ask ChatGPT a question or get Siri to set a timer, you probably picture some super advanced algorithm crunching data in a pristine server room. But what if I told you there are actual human beings doing a significant chunk of that work? Mind-blowing, right? Welcome to the world of AI sweatshops, the hidden workforce that makes your AI assistant seem so smart. Let's dive into this digital underworld that powers the technology we take for granted every day. Point 1. The illusion of pure AI. Your AI assistant isn't as artificial as you think. Behind that sleek interface is something called human-in-the-loop technology. Companies employ thousands of workers across the globe to train, label, and clean up AI responses before they reach your screen. The irony? We're using humans to teach machines how to be more human. It's like hiring someone to teach your robot how to dance, then hiding them behind a curtain so everyone thinks your robot learned all by itself. It's the tech industry's greatest magic trick, and we've all fallen for it. Point 2. The global workforce. These AI sweatshops aren't just small operations, they span continents. From massive facilities in Kenya and India to micro-task workers in the Philippines and Venezuela, it's a worldwide phenomenon. Major tech companies outsource to these regions where labor costs are a fraction of those in Silicon Valley. A task that would cost $25 an hour in the US might pay just $2 in certain countries. And the best part? They get to keep saying it's all AI, while armies of human workers toil behind the scenes. Talk about digital colonialism. Point 3. The content. Moderators, perhaps the most grueling job in this industry. Content moderation. These workers sift through the absolute worst of humanity. Graphic violence, disturbing content, and horrible imagery, so your AI doesn't learn from or repeat these things. Imagine spending 8 hours a day viewing content so disturbing it would give most people nightmares. Also, your AI assistant doesn't accidentally reference something inappropriate when you ask for a recipe. These digital janitors are literally sacrificing their mental health for our convenience, and most tech companies treat them as disposable. Point 4. Data labeling armies. Behind every smart AI is an army of data labelers. These workers manually categorize millions of images, text snippets, and audio clips to train machine learning models. Picture this. For a single self-driving car algorithm to recognize a stop sign, thousands of humans had to first label countless images of stop signs in different lighting, angles, and weather conditions. That's not artificial intelligence. That's human intelligence packaged as technology. The next time some tech CEO brags about their revolutionary AI, remember it's built on the backs of countless underpaid workers. Point 5. The wage reality. The economics are shocking. While the AI industry is worth billions, many workers in this shadow industry earn as little as $1.50 an hour. Some companies use microtask platforms where workers complete tiny jobs for pennies. One worker in Kenya told researchers he labels over 700 images daily, earning roughly $9 for a full day's work. Meanwhile, the AI systems he's helping build generate millions in revenue. The tech elite are literally becoming billionaires while paying digital pennies to the actual humans making their systems work. Point 6. The hidden transcribers ever. Wonder how voice assistants got so good at understanding you? Meet the transcribers, people who listen to voice recordings and manually transcribe what was said to improve speech recognition. Yes, that's right. Actual humans might be listening to your commands to Alexa or Siri. Not constantly, of course, but samples get reviewed to improve accuracy. That private conversation you had near your smart speaker? There's a small chance someone halfway across the world transcribed it for AI training data. Privacy policy? More like privacy suggestion. Point 7. Algorithmic management. Here's where it gets dystopian. Many of these workers are themselves managed by algorithms that track their productivity, screen time, and even take screenshots of their work. Imagine being monitored by the very technology you're helping to build. Workers report extreme pressure to maintain impossible quotas, with some platforms automatically rejecting work that doesn't meet mysterious quality thresholds, often without explanation or appeal. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi nightmare, except it's happening right now to real people. Point 8. Psychological impact. The mental toll is severe. Content moderators frequently develop symptoms similar to PTSD. Data labelers report extreme monotony and burnout from repetitive tasks. One former moderator described having nightmares about the content they reviewed and being unable to use social media after their experience. Companies often provide minimal psychological support, treating these workers as replaceable components rather than human beings, all while their executives give TED Talks about how AI is improving humanity. Point 9. The ethical questions all. This raises huge ethical questions about our AI future. If AI development requires exploiting human labor, is it really progress? Are we creating a digital caste system where privileged users benefit from the invisible labor of a global underclass? Tech. Companies are racing to build increasingly complex AI systems, but who's looking out for the humans who make it all possible? The uncomfortable truth is that our cutting-edge future is being built on some very old-fashioned labor exploitation, just with fancier marketing and cooler logos. Point 10. The future of AI labor. But there's hope for change. Advocacy groups are pushing for better conditions, transparency, and fair pay in the AI labor market. Some companies are beginning to improve practices, recognizing that ethical AI must include ethical treatment of the humans behind it. As users, we have power too. By demanding transparency about how our AI tools are made and supporting companies with ethical labor practices, we can help shape an AI future that benefits everyone, not just those who can afford the finished product. So next time your AI assistant answers a question or your smart device recognizes your voice, remember the global workforce that made that possible. The future of AI isn't just about smarter machines. It's about ensuring the humans behind those machines are treated with dignity and respect. If you found this eye-opening, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights that go beyond the marketing hype. Drop a comment letting me know which aspect of AI sweatshops shocked you the most. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our next video exposing the hidden side of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.